In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a yes or no flowchart using Microsoft PowerPoint. Flowcharts are a simple, powerful way to map out decisions, organize choices, and present a process clearly to your audience. Whether you're shaping a plan, preparing a presentation, or building a quick decision guide, PowerPoint has everything you need built in, so you won't have to draw anything from scratch. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer, then open the presentation where you want the flowchart to live. You can use an existing deck or start fresh with a blank presentation. Pick the slide that will be your workspace for the flowchart and make sure it's uncluttered so your diagram has room to breathe. A clean slide helps your audience focus on the logic rather than the layout. Next, head to the Insert tab at the top of the window. This is where you add visual elements to your slide. Click Smart Art to open a gallery of ready-made diagrams. Smart Art is designed to turn ideas and processes into visuals quickly, which is perfect for decision flows. When the Smart Art window opens, look for the relationship category. This group includes layouts that show how ideas connect, which is what we need for a yes or no decision. From there, select the converging cluster layout. It's a great fit because it starts with a central idea and lets branches radiate outward in a neat, organized way, making each path easy to follow. Once the converging cluster appears on your slide, customize it to match your decision process, rearrange the shapes so your starting point sits at the top or center, then place the branches where they make the most sense visually. If you need more or fewer branches, use the Smart Art tools to add or remove shapes. Keep the design simple. Even spacing, clear alignment, and minimal decoration will make your flowchart easier to read at a glance. Now add your content. Click each shape and type your text. Label the decision point clearly, then mark the paths with yes and no, followed by the outcomes they lead to. Aim for short, clear phrases so the logic is obvious. If any text feels cramped, resize the Smart Art or adjust the font size to maintain readability. Before wrapping up, take a moment to review. Follow each path with your eyes and make sure the order is logical and consistent. Check that the labels are unambiguous and that nothing competes for attention. And that's how you create a yes or no flowchart in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon to get notified about new uploads. Thanks for watching and happy creating.